Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to consider the following question on the screen. First one you have over here is 6 raised to the power 3 times 6 raised to the power 3 each raised to the power 5 each raised to the power 6 all over each raised to the power 6. Now this question is from the laws of indices. So if you've studied the laws of indices, we can just solve it. Now this one over here, the numbers has already been arranged for us. So what we're going to do is that we're going to apply the rules. So now, since we have the multiplication sign in between these two numbers, it simply means we have to use the product rule or the multiplication law, which says that when the bases are the same, you should add the powers. So since the sixes are the same, which are the bases, we are going to add the powers. So 3 plus 3 times, so the same thing implies over here to 5 plus 6 all over. Now over here, since this 8 and the 6 are not the same, we cannot add the powers, so we are gonna leave them like that. 8 raised to the power 6 times 6 raised to the power 2. Now over there, 3 plus 3 is 6 times 8 plus 5 is 11 all over 8 raised to the power 6 times 6 raised to the power 2. Now let's rearrange this one also. So 6 raised to the power 6 all over, you can bring this one over here. So 6 raised to the power 2 times 8 raised to the power 11 all over 8 raised to the power 6. Now to make this one easier, let's simplify it like this. 6 raised to the power 6 all over 6 raised to the power 2 times 8 raised to the power 11 all over 8 raised to the power 6. Now we've used the multiplication law. It's now time for the division law. But before we use the division law or the quotient rule, let's simplify it like this. So 6 raised to the power 6 all over 6 raised to the power 2 times 8 raised to the power 11 all over 8 raised to the power 6. So now over here, the division law or the quotient rule says that when the bases are the same, you subtract the powers. So the bases are the same, which is the 6 and then the 8. So you're going to subtract the 2 from the 6 and also the 6 from the 11. So you just choose any one of the 6's. So 6 and then 6 minus 2 times over here 8 and then 11 minus 6. Now over here 6 minus 2 is 4 times 8. 11 minus 6 is also 5. So our final answer is 6 raised to the power 4 times 8 raised to the power 5. Let's consider the second one. Over here we have 4 raised to the power 4 times 2 raised to the power 5 times 4 raised to the power 2, 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. The first thing we are going to do is that let's regroup the numbers or rearrange the numbers. So up there we have 4 raised to the power 4. Since it's the same base with the 4, we just bring the 4 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 5 all over 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now the bases are the same, the 4 and the 4 are the same, so we go ahead and then add the exponent or the powers. So 4 and then 4 plus 2 give us 6 times 2 raised to the power 5 all over 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Now we can go ahead and then split them into 2. 4 raised to the power 6 times 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 5 and also 4 and then also 2 raised to the power 3. Let me do it well. 2 raised to the power 3. Now the next one, we are using the division law, which says that when the bases are the same, we subtract the powers. So we are going to choose any one of these 4 and then subtract this 3 from the 6, then also subtract the 3 from the 5. Sorry, yeah, from the 5. So 5 minus 3, and then over here 6 minus 3 is 3 times 5 minus 3 is also 2. So we have 4 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 2. Now over here, you're not yet done. We can simplify this 4 as 2 raised to the power 2 is the same as 4, but already this 3 is over there, so we can bring it here times 2 raised to the power 2. Now over here we use the power rule. So the 3, these two over here is going to multiply the 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So this 2 is going to have a power of 6 times 2 raised to the power 2. And now we come back to the multiplication rule. The bases are the same, so we go ahead and then add the exponent or the powers. So 2 raised to the power 6 plus 2, which will give us 8. So basically that's how we solve both this question and then this one. You can go ahead and comment on the video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.